Okay, now Prime Minister Modi also chaired the meeting of the high-level committee to commemorate 400th birth anniversary, that is Prakash Parv of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji today. The meeting was organized through video conferencing, where the PM urged everyone to participate wholeheartedly in the celebrations and to tread the path lit by the Gurus. Listen into what the PM had to say.
Namaskar.
Namaskar, respected members of the committee and colleagues.
और सभी साथियों,
This occasion of the 400th Prakash Parv of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji is a matter of spiritual privilege and also a national duty for all of us.
और एक राष्ट्रीय कर्तव्य भी है। इसमें हम अपना कुछ योगदान दे सकें।
This is Guru Kripa, that we have got this opportunity so that we can contribute on this occasion.
कि हम सब देश के
I am glad that all of us together are taking forward these efforts.
अपने इन प्रयासों को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं।
Here, the Home Minister has presented the views and resolutions of the committee as the chairman of the National Implementation Committee.
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन कमेटी के अध्यक्ष के तौर पर कमेटी के विचारों को हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत किया।
In the presentation too, action plan for the entire year has been presented.
प्रेजेंटेशन में भी पूरे साल के कार्य योजना के संबंध में एक लचीली रूपरेखा थी, जिसमें काफी सुधार की भी संभावनाएं हैं।
In this also, there is further scope of suggestions.
आप सदस्यों की ओर से भी
Valuable suggestions and ideas have also been received from all the committee members.
सुझाव मिले हैं। और ये बात सही है कि एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर हमने इस
It is true that we should take advantage of this great opportunity and take forward the basic thinking and ideology of the country at the international level. I am aware of the fact that there are many members in this committee and not all of them have got a chance to present their ideas here today. But I hope that all the respected members of this committee will send their suggestions to me in writing so that we can make the events related to Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji much more enriched and strategies can be formulated to celebrate year-long events.
साथियों, बीती 4 शताब्दियों में
In the last 4 centuries in India, we cannot imagine any period or phase that had no influence of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji.
जिसकी कल्पना हम गुरु तेग बहादुर जी के प्रभाव के बिना कर सकते हो। नवम गुरु के तौर पर हम
As the 9th Guru, we all get inspiration from him. All of us are familiar with various facets of his life. However, it is equally important for the new generation of the country to know about him.
जानना, उन्हें समझना भी उतना ही जरूरी है। साथियों, गुरु नानक देव जी से लेकर गुरु तेग बहादुर जी,
From Guru Nanak Dev Ji to Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and then Guru Gobind Singh Ji,
परंपरा
our Sikh Guru tradition has been a complete life philosophy in itself.
ये सौभाग्य है कि गुरु नानक देव जी का
It is the privilege and good fortune of the government that we got the opportunity to celebrate 550th Prakash Parv of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, 400th birth anniversary of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji and 350th Prakash Parv of Guru Gobind Singh Ji. If the world wants to know the meaning of life, it can be seen in the lives of our Gurus.
सार्थकता को समझना चाहे तो हमारे गुरुओं के जीवन को देख बहुत आसानी से समझ सकता है।
They made the highest sacrifices in their lives. They were also enlightened with knowledge and they also achieved spiritual heights.
उनके जीवन में ज्ञान का प्रकाश भी था, आध्यात्मिक ऊंचाई भी थी। साथियों, गुरु तेग बहादुर जी ने कहा है,
Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji has said, Sukhu dukhu dono sam kari jane, aur manu apamana.
और मानो अपमान।
It means happiness or sorrow, respect or disgrace. We should treat all situations equally.
एक जैसा रहते हुए हमें अपना जीवन जीना चाहिए। उन्होंने जीवन के उद्देश्य भी बताए हैं।
He has stated the purpose of life and has also shown the path to achieve it. He has shown us the path of service and also service to the nation. He has given us the mantra of equality, harmony and sacrifice.
और त्याग का मंत्र हमें दिया है। इन्हीं मंत्रों को खुद जीना और जन जन तक पहुंचाना ये हम सबका कर्तव्य है। साथियों, जैसी यहां चर्चा भी हुई,
as it is also discussed here, events should be organized in the country on the 400th Prakash Parv, and we should try to ensure that we can reach maximum people globally with these events.
हम लोगों तक पहुंचने का प्रयास करना चाहिए। सिख परंपरा से जुड़े
Pilgrimage centers associated with the Sikh tradition will also energize these activities.
और ऊर्जा देंगे। गुरु तेग बहादुर जी के शब्द,
Guru Tegh Bahadur's Shabad, bhajans of their ragas, literature related to him, cultural programs, these will inspire people.
ये जन जन को प्रेरणा देंगे। इसमें डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी का उपयोग होने में
Message of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji will easily reach new generations globally with the help of digital technology. I am glad the majority of the members have given suggestions for using digital technology. This shows that India is changing.
अपने आप में बदलते हुए भारत की तस्वीर भी है। हम सभी इन सभी प्रयासों में
In all these efforts, we have to connect more people with us. In all these events, life lessons and teachings of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji have to be taken forward. Guru tradition should also be taken to the world.
समूची गुरु परंपरा को भी विश्व तक लेकर के जाना चाहिए। किस तरह पूरी दुनिया में
The way people of Sikh community all over the world and millions of followers of our gurus are following their footsteps.
सब करोड़ों अनुयायी उनके पद चिन्हों पर चल रहे हैं। कैसे सिख समाज सेवा के इतने बड़े-बड़े काम कर रहा है।
The way Sikh community is doing such great work of social service, and how our gurudwaras are serving humanity. If we take this message to the whole world, then we will be able to give great inspiration to humanity.
मैं चाहूंगा कि इस पर शोध करके
I would like that research should be done on this topic and it should be documented as well. Our efforts will also guide future generations. This will be our tribute to all the gurus, including Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji.
हम सबकी श्रद्धांजलि होगी, एक प्रकार से कार्यांजलि भी होगी। ये भी अहम है कि इसी महत्वपूर्ण समय में
It is also significant to note that India is also celebrating Amrit Mahotsav, as India is celebrating 75th year of independence. I believe with the Guru's blessings, we will definitely be successful in all our events.
जरूर सफल होंगे। आप सबके उत्तम सुझावों के लिए
I am thankful for your wonderful suggestions. Your active cooperation will play an important role in taking forward this rich tradition to the new generations. It is a matter of pride and privilege for all of us that we have got this opportunity to take forward the teachings of Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. My best wishes to all. Thank you very much.
इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं आप सबको भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ।